Friends, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel, and today we will show you how to turn off comments on Instagram. Today we will show you how to manage these comment settings in the basic Instagram customizations, and also how to disable comments option for the selected post. So let's go to our app and let's start with the first topic. So let's pick on this icon, on the three lines icon at the top bar of our profile page, and use settings and privacy options. Later we need to go to the comment section, and in the old version of Instagram we had such a toggle like comment, which means that no one can add comments on our posts, on our reels, etc. But right now we don't have this special toggle, and we have only the feature like allow comments from or block comments from in the latest version of Instagram app. So let's use this first section after picking on the inscription opposite it. And here, as I said before, we don't have this function like disable comments at all, but we can use from whom we want to receive comments, like from everyone, from people you follow, from your followers, or from followers and followings. I want to choose the second option, only from the people I follow, and tap on the arrow here to save changes. Later we can also block someone that this person won't be able to save comments on our posts. Let's search for the needful user. I will set a reset 59. This is our second default and additional account. Let's pick on the block option opposite it, or block, and tap on the arrow here to save, as I said before, changes. Later let's tap again and again. So from now on this person cannot save and add some comments on our posts, reels, etc. But how to manage these settings for the selected post on our profile page? So let's choose the latest one as an example, and let's tap on the three lines shortcut, the three dots shortcut opposite our username, and later we'll tap on the turn off commenting option. As you can see, comments are off. We have this special inscription, which means that no one can add comments only for this post. Later everyone will have this feature. So guys, unfortunately we don't have this toggle to disable comments at all, but you can correct this option in the settings in a very convenient way, and I hope that our video was really very understandable and useful. Don't forget about likes and write comments below this video if you have some questions and some opinion about this tutorial. Don't forget about likes, and have a nice day. Goodbye.